outlook for the period Friday through Thursday. Additional chances for strong thunderstorms late. Advisory in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Small craft advisory in effect until 4 a.m. Friday. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. This is the NOAA Radio WXJ87 in Madison. Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Rotations going over Highway 40 here near Marcellus. Hopefully everybody in Marcellus is sheltered. Howardsville, Chamberlain, Briarfield, Schoolcraft, you guys are all in your path here.
Impact. Be tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Areas. Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains until 8. Slow. 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around.
Real quick, I know we've got a high stress moment. But I mean, look at this. Sun goes by.
WOLX FM and HD1. From Baraboo to Madison to Beaver Dam to Janesville, we've got all your feel-good classic hits on 94.9 WOLX.
Central Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 6:03. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Damage to roof, siding, and tree. At Dumoulin was 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include
compressor was backfiring, so I run out front.
Monroe, Broadhead, Monticello, Argyle, South Wayne, Browntown, Judah, Woodford, and Jordan Center. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Boone, McHenry, in headlights, and allow for extra fog. Visibilities will improve. A severe thunderstorm.
EAS issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County. Move to the safest location. Severe weather statement. National Weather Service, Milwaukee/Sullivan, WI 6:17 p.m. CDT, Thursday, April 2nd, 2026. WIC 055-105-0222345-/o.com.kmkx. WI Jefferson WI 6:17 p.m. CDT Thursday, April 2nd, 2026. A tornado warning
for northern Greene County and southeastern Iowa County, eastern Dane County and south central Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Mount Horace near Blanchardville, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Waunakee, Verona, Oregon, Monona, Mount Horace, Windsor, Fairview South, Sauk City.
Tons of other people, and we both know one
Golf course in Fond du Lac, featuring 27 holes designed for every skill level. Whether you're
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in until 8 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. A tornado warning remains in effect. Wisconsin, County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin.
Rates should they stay
5 p.m.
at the levels that were
39 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Whitewater. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Walworth. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. Until 7:45. Siding and trees. Locations impacted include near Whitewater, Middleton, 1 mile. Dollar-sized hail. Sauk City, Missouri, Cross Plains, Belleville, New Glarus, Newhall, Maine, Shore Resort, Woodland, Blackbird. Hail. Funnel cloud. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without ship.
JJ up.
Water moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard. The spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage. California, Collinsville, Lima Center, National Weather Service Milwaukee Sullivan, and Lake Lac-La-Belle. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
what it is.
According to the U.S. route.
Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a On occasion, Terry will leave behind one of his characters.
Good to hear. So walk us through what the next big hurdle is for these astronauts. What are they preparing for? What comes next?
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. The overalls will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County, southwestern Jefferson County. Temperature was 41 degrees. Green County, south central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County, in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson, eastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms will.
Thunderstorm warning for eastern Green County in south central Wisconsin, Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending.
East and not really looking at a huge concern. We're looking at the stronger south beginning to move into the Dane County area and the Madison.
Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations affected include eastern Madison, Janesville, Pittsburgh, Stoughton, Verona, Oregon.
Once your lady tried to stop you, you kept going. Breztri, a 3-in-1 inhaler. Get everything started within 5 minutes. It helps prevent flare-ups. Breztri.
Robbing the core funding for sure, and just diversified it.
Reese's group is working on restoring a big meadow in eastern Arizona. It's trying to improve wildlife habitat and make the space. Two companies, including Microsoft, kicked in about
The rotation over here near Battlefield continues to look more and more impressive. Between Fort Custer Recreation Area and the Hearts Lake Conservation Area.